Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn really easy way how you can add related list in SalesForce. So let's start. First, let's just click on settings and go to setup. By the way, this is Lightning edition, okay? Now click on setup, and then what you want to do is click on object manager. And when you're in object manager, let's just write here organization. It's like really like opportunity, let's say. Hey, that's fine, opportunity. And like this is the same for every object manager. Then just click page layouts. When you're in the page layout, you want to just click on page layout main name you got. Okay, and here you can see the related list. So when I'm going here in this menu to related list, you can delete this if you want, and you can add new here. Like that's quite simple, and you can move them after it like this. Really easy. So this is how you can add a related list. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.